Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord Umkhokha The Curse. It is good to see the ladies mending their relationship. By the ladies, I mean Nomkhosi, Nokubonga, and Umabusi. Fine, Umabusi and Nokubonga have not mended their relationship together, but as different individuals in different relationships, they've fixed everything. Kumnandi ku right? Asindlule kuleyo. Then size kubani? Size kule yakanokubonga. Unokubonga ubuyele kibo guys because she feels ukuthi she's just a nanny, she's not doing what she was supposed to do. Akekho ufuna ukumshada between the two boys bakamthembu. And therefore, culturally, one of them bemela mngene, but because abamngenanga, she feels ukuthi she does not belong. And because of that, she had to go back home, which is making her parents fight. Now, uMaphalala decided to go to no man. Let me go kamthembu ngibatshele ukuthi no abathatha umntana wami back nan. That all happened, but Zamcolo was honest to say we will not be doing justice because neither myself or Khulekane are willing ukungena ulokhunja unokubonga. Therefore, as much as we understand ukuthi we failed the family yakamaphalala culturally, this is the truth and that's where we stand. Umaphalala seems to understand, but I don't know ukuthi kuzomela ukuthi kuhlawulwe or kwenziwa kanjani ke mase kunje. Unomkhosi ke yena is fueling ukhulekani. Ngithi uyayithela iparafini uyithela ngamabhakede angizwe ukuthi ngithini. Ukhulekani feels ukuthi unomkhosi is the most right person in the whole entire world. At this point uthi uyakwazi nokulala kahle since he told his family ukuthi bonke nje abathakathi bonke baflya ngomthanyelo nje bonke bangozi hle like bakotsi. Since abatshele lokho ufeel ukuthi usebenzile ugayi uyenza into enkulu kabi. All right. Ndlovu azama ukukhuluma nobani noMamzobe athi kuMamzobe uMamzobe the way uyislima ngakhona, the only thing that would save ukhulekani at this point is if you bring that squama of yours yobuthakathi and do ama miracles ngobuthakathi. Hayi uMamzobe shem ayazini ayithathele ayisele uMamzobe ushintshile kwazi bani, but ke lo asuggest ukuthi no man akuye kunyanga kuntate radibona or mera dibona, and then tate radibona or mera dibona ba re fe kemi and then kemi e o rire sure gore re fa khulekane matla. So siye ku babu uyazibona or umama uyazibona, ubaba uyazibona or umama uyazibona abaphe ini ichemical ezoyenzani ezonikeza ukhulekane amandla. Hayi bayidingida lento angene ubani usifociya athini jelese but yeah no mara Afrikaans asilozaka, but nonetheless ababuze ke ukuthi lento enikhuluma yayikho ini while they were still deliberating on the matter. Angene ke ulo ukhulekana hayi ufanelwe abathi ufanelwe bathini uyasabeka. Yes uyasabeka athi ke uyasabeka. Mina ngibona ukuthi amandla wami they are in the mountain and I am going to ascend in the mountain to fetch my powers. Yo guys, what if he does not come back like ukhulekana? Like, share and subscribe.